ब्रेक के बाद एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है। आपको बता दें कि शिक्षा मंत्री स्मृति ईरानी ने महिषासुर शहादत दिवस मनाए जाने का मुद्दा उठाया था और उन्होंने बाकायदा दुर्गा मां के बारे में जो बातें लिखी गई थी पैम्फलेट में, जो पैम्फलेट्स उस समय बांटे गए थे, उसको लेकर उन्होंने पूरा पैम्फलेट पढ़कर सुनाया था। लेकिन इस पर कांग्रेस हंगामा कर रही है सदन में और कांग्रेस का कहना है कि इस तरह की बातें शिक्षा मंत्री स्मृति ईरानी कैसे बोल सकती है, जबकि स्मृति ईरानी ने यह कहा था कि वो पैम्फलेट पढ़ के सुना रही हैं। इस तरह के कागज बांटे गए थे जिन पर इस तरह की आपत्तिजनक बातें लिखी हुई थी।
जो ऐसा कोई कागज छपा, लिखा, बांटा गया, उसको सदन में पूरा पढ़कर जो घोर आपत्तिजनक बात, अपमानजनक बात थी, जिससे हमारे देश के 100 करोड़ लोगों की धार्मिक भावनाओं को ठेस पहुंची, टेलीविजन ने पूरे घर घर में दिखाया, उसको हम कैसे स्वीकार करें?
No, let me this be over. Let me deal with this.
कोई सदन के
Let me deal with this. You sit down. Let me deal with this. Sugandhar Roy.
आप बात को तोड़िए,
Sugandhar Roy.
हम स्वीकार नहीं करने वाले।
Sugandhar Roy. After Sugandhar Roy. Sugandhar Roy.
Sir,
what is you have to say?
sir, nobody.
On this subject?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Nobody can hurt the sentiments of our people, so far the religious sentiments are concerned, and particularly there cannot be any derogatory remark against any god or goddess, including Ma Durga. Therefore, whatever has been said and printed about Ma Durga by making some derogatory and insulting remarks, that should be also condemned by each and all. This is my submission. माँ दुर्गा को हम पूजन करते हैं। माँ दुर्गा किसी का सेलिंग पॉइंट नहीं हो सकता, किसी का गुड्स नहीं हो सकता बेचने के लिए। जिस तरह माँ दुर्गा को अपमान किया गया है, उसको भी कंडेम करने पड़ेगा, सबको एक साथ।
Okay. What is she? Yes. Raja Tyagi, are you on this subject? Then only I will.
हाँ सर, on this subject.
क्या है?
सर जो आनंद शर्मा जी, एक मिनट इधर, मिस्टर विविंदा।
Okay, Parida, sit down.
एक सेकंड।
Mr. Parida, sit down. Sit down. Yes, what?
सर,
You speak. Parida, sit down.
एक मिनट।
Oh, Parida, sit down. कैसे त्यागी? What is that?
सर, पिछले काफी समय से
No, you say briefly in one sentence.
मैं बहुत जल्दी कह रहा हूँ।
No, बोलो. No. Sit down. I have to take.
I'm speaking.
I have to take 0 hour.
Mr. Sen.
I have to take. No. I am not allowing.
Please.
No.
Please.
Only कैसे त्यागी? I have to take 0 hour. No. What is that you want? Parida, sit down.
उसके बाद जब ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर जो है वो
What is that you want?
Let me finish first, sir.
What do you want to say? Tell.
Sir, very humbly, I want to say. पिछले 2-3 महीनों से, एक ही मिनट में खत्म
कर। इसके बारे में कुछ बोलना है तो बोलो, नहीं तो मैं क्या करना है बोलो।
इससे पहले प्रॉफिट को लेकर के एक पर्चा हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश में छपा, कई देश के जिलों में। फिर
No.
एक मिनट सुनिए।
I don't want to hear all those things. What should I do in this case? Have you got any suggestion?
हाँ, ऐसे
say that.
मेरा ये कहना है
What should I do in this case? You say your suggestion. If you have to do anything.
सर, मेरा सजेशन ये है, और मैं इसको कोई गरम नहीं करना चाहता, हिंदू हो या मुसलमान, सिख हो या ईसाई,
अरे सबको मालूम है,
किसी के भी धर्म गुरु, देवी या देवता के बारे में कुछ सदन के बाहर जो घटनाएं घटती हैं, उसको जस का तस यहाँ रखना।
अरे समझते हैं,
सारा देश
अभी तो क्या करना है बोलो।
करना ये है कि
सुझाव है,
मंत्री महोदय को अनकंडीशनल एपोलॉजी करनी चाहिए। अगर वो माफी नहीं मांगती है तो सदन की कार्रवाई की जानी चाहिए।
No, I don't want to continue the discussion. I have to go for 0 hour. अरे 0 hour is there. You go back to your seat. 0 hour लेना है। What is 7 cents 0 hour? Your 0 hour is there. What should I do with suspension? What should I do?
And by picking up wrong man with concocted evidence to the...
No, you are not allowed.
So
If you see, it is not going on record. Have you got any suggestion to the chair to solve this issue? If not, keep quiet. No, sit down. All of you sit down. All of you sit down. All of you sit down. Let me solve this. No, I cannot allow that point of order now. I have to solve this. You sit down now. Sit down. I will call you. I'll call you. Sit down. Now see, I was only asking, yes. Have you got a suggestion? Now listen, I will call you, Mr. I will call you now. Have you got a suggestion to solve it? Suggestion to the chair. Then I am ready to listen to that. That did not come. But before that, 1 second. Honorable Minister, would you like to say something now? No, I'm not. No reply. No.
I am just making a statement here.
Then
I am
later.
making a statement here.
No, I only say no reply now.
No, sir. I'm
On
not
this
making-
point, have you got to
only
say
on this point, sir. Yesterday, I declared that I'm humbly hearing every voice in this house. There were challenges thrown with regards to veracity of certain statements made. Anandji very rightfully says that we all spoke about what is free speech under the Constitution that binds us in this house and the other. And my leader of the house spoke about what is free speech, is hate speech or seditious speech free speech. That is a matter of record. Another gentleman in this very house...
No, don't go to all that.
No.
On
Allow me,
specific
Mr.
this
Chairman.
point.
I
Don't go,
was
no.
challenged whether-
I have to take...
I was
Only on
challenged whether-
specific, no.
Mr.
On this point.
Sir,
Only
allow
on
me to
this.
finish. I'll
No,
sit
please
down
cooperate.
after I finish.
Yeah,
Honorable
on
Chair,
this point.
Honorable Chair, all I would like to say is,
Yeah.
I was asked yesterday pointedly whether what I'm reading is authentic. These are authenticated documents from the university itself, which has been proclaimed as a temple of learning and internationally acclaimed. These are not documents of the government. I read it because I was asked to explain what is the proof.
Okay.
I would also here like to say, I myself am a practicing Hindu. I myself am a Durga worshipper. I said it with a lot of pain that what is the free speech that certain political entities are giving respectability to.
No.
Those are the statements I read.
You can say all this at the time
I
of
am
reply.
of the opinion
All right.
they have absolutely no problem
At the time of reply.
supporting these very statements.
Okay, fine.
But they have a problem in me reading out authenticated document highlighting what they supported.
Okay. Now, 0-hour submission. Pramod Tiwari, 0-hour submission. Yes. No. You don't want me to take 0-hour? Why? No, you cannot derail 0-hour like this. Yeah, see. No.
चाहिए कहीं भी ये ट्रेन में बस में तरह तरह के पर्चे बटते हैं ला करके यहाँ पढ़ दिया जाए जो किसी के सेंटिमेंट को आप रूलिंग दे दीजिए अगर मंत्री पढ़ेंगे तो क्या सबूत है कि वो आदमी अपने से छपवा कर बटवा सकता है कोई बटवा सकता है आप रूलिंग दे दीजिए कि कहीं का कोई पर्चा पोस्टर ला करके यहाँ रख दिया जाए ये क्या तरीका है मंत्री को मना के दिए ये परिपाटी बनेगी कोई पर्चा ला करके यहाँ पढ़ेगा कोई पर्चा यहाँ पढ़ेगा
I pose that question to the house. आपने जो बोला ठीक है आप बैठिए यस या समझ गया अब बैठिए आपने जो बोला ठीक है See, what you said, I am not disagreeing with you. I am telling you, I asked the House, what, is there any suggestion that you want to make to them?
राज्यसभा में स्मृति ईरानी से माफी की मांग की गई, लेकिन स्मृति ईरानी ने कहा कि वो भाषा सरकार की नहीं थी, जो पर्चे बटे थे उनकी थी। जल्द लौट रहे हैं।